Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to change title and description that appear or display when you share your website page link on any social media platform like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in dashboard. Now go to page. So this is our page. Now open any page. So this is our home page, and when you share this link on any social media platform, then you see some title and text, and also you see image. So we are going to change it. So you can change title, text, description, image for each page according to requirement. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write Yoast SEO. So this is plugin Yoast SEO we will use. So click on install now and then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated. Go to any page and then you see edit page. So click on it. Now edit page open and then scroll down. You see Yoast SEO and then you see multiple option and then you see determine how your post should look in the search result. Now you see preview as mobile result desktop. So when we share this page, so this is our default layout. Show this title and text, and then you see don't show any image. If you want to show image, then you see set feature image. So click on it. Now select any image and then click on set feature image. Now you see feature image added, and then you see feature image show here. So you can add image according to requirement, and then we are going to change page title and description. Now you see meta description. Now add. So when you share this page link on any social media platform like Facebook, X, WhatsApp, so show this meta description. Now remove extra. Now you see green bar good, and then you see SEO title. So you can add title manually, so it's up to you. Now remove. So we are going to add some text. Now you see, so we added home title, and then you see home title appear here. So this is a mobile result, desktop same. Now click on it. So you can do these settings for each page and post individually. And then you see social. So click on it. And then you see social media appearance. If you want, you can set for each social media different. Now you see determine how your post should look on social media like Facebook, X, Instagram, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Slack. And then you see social image. If you want, you can add different image here. Now select this and then click on select. Now you see image added. So you can add social title here, and then you can add description, and then you see X appearance. If you want, you can set it individually for X. Now click on it. Again you see select image, X title, description. So you can do setting according to requirement, but this is default one. Show on all social media platform. If you want, you can do for X separate. So it's up to you. And then click on update or publish. So you can do these settings for each page and post individually. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.